Let's step for a moment into a 19th century Christmas. In the 19th century, Christmas was above all a domestic celebration. Most of the preparations happened in the kitchen because food was one of the most important ways of celebrating. Gingerbread had a special meaning back then. Spices like ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves were expensive and hard to get, so gingerbread was considered a luxury, not an everyday treat. It was often baked only once a year, specifically for Christmas. Gingerbread was given as gifts, hung on Christmas trees, or placed on the table as decoration. Icing was not used only for decoration. Its white color symbolized snow and purity, and decorating gingerbread was a family ritual. Children helped, but the kitchen was a disciplined place. Nothing was done carelessly. During the Victorian era, gingerbread houses became especially popular. Interestingly, they were rarely eaten. Very often they stayed on the table throughout the holidays as decoration and then simply disappeared. There were no ready-made food colorings or decorations. Colors came from natural ingredients: beets, herbs, coffee. Every gingerbread looked different, and that was completely normal. Perfection was not the goal. What mattered was that something was made by hand. Crooked lines, cracked icing, or uneven walls didn't bother anyone. So if a gingerbread house doesn't turn out perfect today, that's actually very much in the spirit of 19th century Christmas. Because old Christmases were not meant to look perfect. They were meant to be shared, slow, and meaningful.